Most of us here were here for free and fair election. And secondly, we have security men here. We know all over, all the polling units, we know that Ombugadu declared the election. Yes. And the PDP, all over the polling units of 30 local governments, we know that Ombugadu declared. And I want to urge again, if we have our people, we have security men here, we have soldiers, we have DSS, we have policemen, we have civil defense, and the soldiers that inside the INEC office, why they declare Engineer Sule without do follow the procedure. For that, if the security men, which is soldiers, they know rule and regulation of Nigeria, we want the soldier men to go inside, to go and fight our right. If not, we will not accept it. And I was going to appeal our people, youth, they should bring themselves down. But anybody, any security man that eventually say that he want to shoot anybody here, I think all of them will die. We are ready. We are ready for everything. Now I'm telling you
what is in the INEC area, and the INEC here are bent on collecting this result and declaring it, and this result did not reflect the wish of the masses in Nasarawa State, and they are telling us to go to court. It's quite unfortunate that anytime result is being manipulated at the collection center, they see court as a place of refuge where thieves will go and...
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.